Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install DaVinci Resolve on Linux. Now, this tutorial goes for Debian-based distros like Ubuntu, Debian, Pop! OS. This process will not work on other distros. Now, this is a beginner level tutorial. I'm going to make everything nice and easy and spell everything out. So if you're new to Linux, if you're a beginner on Linux, this is the tutorial for you. I know that the process of downloading apps on Mac and Windows is very different from Linux, and I know that the terminal and the package manager can be a little daunting, but I'm going to explain everything nice and slow, so this is the tutorial for you. You know, the terminal, there's a bit of a learning curve, but once you get used to it, I mean, oh my god, the terminal, it's just so much more efficient. It's just so much more convenient just to go in, type one command line, just quick and easy, have everything installed correctly. You know, it's so much more convenient than just going to some website, hunting down some executable, hoping that it installed correctly and didn't mess up your system. You know, it's just so much more convenient, so much more efficient. Linux is just better, and you're really going to get a taste of what that's like with this tutorial. You know, this tutorial will give you an excellent taste of what it's like to download apps on Linux. Okay, you ready? All right, so first thing we're going to do is do super T, and we got a terminal window open. And the first thing we're going to have to do is install the dependencies. So we're going to type in sudo apt install libssl 1.1 ocl-icd-opencl-dev fakeroot xorriso. Type in your sudo password. It unable to locate package shit. But what? You know what? I'm gonna pause the recording right back. I'll be back in just a second. I gotta figure this out. Okay, guys, so I'm back. So it turns out I accidentally I misspelled the package name that I wanted to install. I put a dash between libssl and ocl, and I spelled opencul instead of opencl, and I put two s's instead of two r's, and xorriso. But did I mention the Linux terminal is case sensitive? You know what? I'm gonna copy and paste the command in the description of this video, so you can just put it in your sudo password, yes when prompted, and then you can just copy paste it again, and then you'll get this message right here, and it'll and that's how you know it's installed correctly. Okay, got it. So yeah, don't misspell things. Okay, so now we're going to go to the DaVinci Resolve website and hunt down the right executable. Scroll down, download now, select Linux, fill this out, and then once you've filled out the mandatory parts, register and download the zip file. Just give it a minute. Okay, now that the download is complete and it's in the downloads folder, now we are going to go back to Firefox and open this website. I'll put a link in the description. This is an installer for Debian-based distros because DaVinci Resolve, it's only made for CentOS Linux. So we actually need this installer to adapt the installer to Debian-based distros. It's made by some guy, Daniel Tuvis. God, that sounds like a fake name. Okay, but the point is, we're just going to click here, download the installer, and we're going to make our own deb package. Okay, so now that we have the DaVinci Resolve installer and the Debian adapter, what we need to do is we need to right-click and extract both, and then make sure it's your downloads folder that is extracted to. So now you should have the extracted DaVinci Resolve installer, and then you should have the make resolve deb sh file, which is going to be what we're going to run. So now right-click in the folder, open in terminal, and then right here you can see that it is in the downloads directory. And then you're going to type in the name of the sh file, or you could just copy paste the name of it, /make resolve deb *.sh, and then you also got to make sure that you type in light right here, because it is the free version, and it's going to tell it to run the it's going to use this installer and run it and install the light version. So we're just going to put that in, enter. What the right, just a second, I'm going to pause it. Okay, I figured out the issue. What we need to do is we need to get the sh file and then drag it into the DaVinci Resolve folder that you extracted. So then you'll see the sh file and then this .run file. So this is the CentOS file, and then this is the make resolve deb that we extracted. And then we're going to right-click in this folder, open in terminal. Geez, you really got to be specific about this stuff or it'll mess things up. And then you paste make resolve deb multi-sh, the file name, and then light, and then you hit enter. What? I'll pause it again. I'll be right back. Jesus. Okay, I think I figured out where I messed up. I forgot the // I just put in the name of the file. So once again, open the folder, / make, and then just to make sure, you know, that I get it right, tab, because that'll automatically autofill. So / make resolve deb 1.5 multi-sh, you know, just the whole name of the file. So / the name of the file, light, and then okay, I'll pause it again. I'll be back. Okay, now I think I figured it out. I went to the Debian installer from the guy, and it turns out it looks like more recent versions of it. It's a different command. I was following an old guide. Now it's a different command to have it install. So instead, you actually just so you can just paste the command / make resolve deb 1.5 blah blah blah, the name of the file, and then you have to do a space and then the name of the file, the name of the CentOS run file. You don't have to specify Studio or Light anymore. Just / make resolve deb, the whole name of this file right here, and then just the name of this. I'll just leave this in the description, like, because you know, God forbid you use the guide from like 2 months ago. Nothing will work. Just okay. All right. So just copy and paste this command. All right. This should work. Oh my God. Okay, now I think I've got it. Okay, so open this folder in terminal. Make sure it's this folder, because if it's somewhere else, it won't work. Okay, this folder, the right directory. Okay, / make resolve, just make resolve deb, this file name. It turns out what I did was I put in an older file name of the run file. I put in 17.1.1 when you got to put in 17.2.1. So okay. Now it should work. Checking for yes, it's doing it. Oh my God. Oh. Okay, it looks like it's completed the .deb package. The .deb package, you know, extracting complete. Got the package right here. And then right here, here's the name of the package. We have the .deb installer. Okay, so now we just go back into the terminal, sudo dpkg, so it's with sudo privileges, the deb package -i, and then DaVinci Resolve, the whole name of the .deb package tab, and then just hit enter, sudo password, enter, and extracting. Give this a minute. Just let it run for a minute. Okay, now it looks like it's finished installing the .deb package, so let's just search DaVinci Resolve. And it's gonna open. What the hell? Welcome to Alright, let's wait. Force quit. Oh, okay, so now it's... I quit, but it... Okay. Now I can... Alright, so now I can open a new project. Cool. Okay. Alright. It works. Okay, let's just quit this again and try again just to make... Is it... Okay. Alright. DaVinci Resolve is finally installed. Okay. Alright. That's a couple hours of my life I'm not getting back. Just... My God. Okay. Alright. So I got it. Boom. Okay. Done. Alright. Okay, so that is it. That is how to install DaVinci Resolve on Debian-based Linux distros. That is the tutorial. That's the process. That it's complete. The tutorial is over. Okay. All right, now just for comparison, let's see what the install process would have been like on Windows. Just give that a minute to extract. Run the executable. Click install right here. Oh, looks like it's just installing all the dependencies automatically. Just click next, I guess. Accept. Next, install. I guess I'll just restart. All right, I've restarted. Let's search DaVinci Resolve. It's pulled up this menu. Continue. Guess I'll click accept a couple times. Here's the project view, and it opened. Is that it? That's all I had to do? What the fuck, Linux? Why are you like this?